In 2026, AI doesn't want your job. It wants your salary. And if you're proud of finishing 8 hours of work in 1 hour using ChatGPT or Copilot, stop. You're not becoming more valuable. You're becoming cheaper to replace. Welcome to the AI efficiency tax, the hidden economic shift nobody's talking about. The more you speed up without increasing your strategic value, the more companies start asking one dangerous question: why are we paying a full salary for something a machine can do for cents? That is the trap. And today, I'll show you how to flip the script. For years, we were taught one rule: speed equals value. Write faster, ship faster, deliver more. But AI changed the rules. Now, speed is cheap, very cheap. When a machine can generate thousands of lines of code in seconds, the market value of writing code collapses. Coding is becoming a commodity, and commodities do not command premium salaries. If your main selling point is, I finish tasks faster with AI, you are competing directly with the AI itself. And you will lose. Because the algorithm doesn't sleep. It doesn't burn out. And it definitely doesn't need health insurance. But here's the opportunity. AI writes code fast. But it also writes bad code fast. We are entering the era of AI technical debt. According to CISQ reports, poor software quality costs the US alone over $2 trillion annually. Now add AI-generated code with zero human review. We're not building systems anymore. We're building ticking time bombs. A CEO loves speed until the system collapses. That's when panic starts. And suddenly, companies are desperate for one person. Not the fastest coder, but the engineer who can look at an AI-generated system and say, this will break. That person becomes indispensable. That person needs to be you. Stop being a developer. Become a system auditor. Builders are replaceable. Decision makers are not. Coders deliver features. Auditors prevent disasters. AI provides the labor. You provide the truth. You provide the responsibility, architecture, security, liability. That is your moat. Developers get assigned tasks. Auditors control outcomes. Which one are you? Next time you're in a review, don't sell your speed. Sell your judgment. Don't say, I'm faster. Say, I prevented a $100,000 disaster by auditing our AI infrastructure. Sell insurance, not typing. The market in 2026 rewards the smartest engineer, not the fastest prompt. Evolve or fade. Subscribe to DevShift. Let's dominate the future. I'll see you in the next one.